Hello, it's Stephanie Grams with stephaniegrams.com, CEO and founder of the Keepsake Business Academy. Today, I will continue the January 2024 Lunch and Learn series. Be sure to follow, subscribe, go to YouTube. That's where all of those videos are kept. All right, so we're talking about social media. I think that you already are aware of social media because you're watching me on social media. But I want to give you a couple extra tips when it comes to leveraging social media for your keepsake business. So know where your customers are. Where do they hang out? Is it Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest? Know where they're at and know where your possible collaborators are as well. My collaborators are mainly on LinkedIn. So saying that, your collaborators may not be there. So again, know your customers so you can know who to collaborate with. You want to create a visually cohesive and appealing presence. Now, I'm not saying you can't be silly and goofy. We all kind of like that. That's entertainment. Social media is basically entertainment, right? We go there for entertainment and education. Maybe one more than the other. Again, you know your customers. My customers like a little bit of both, but they're mainly here for education. So keep that in mind whenever you're working with your keepsake business and the goals that you have for it. Some things that you can do with your social media would be show behind the scenes. My customers love behind the scenes. Your customers may not be interested, but again, know your customers and then you'll know your way on social media on what you should post and not post. Encourage user-generated content. So that's by having them share their stories. Tag your company page. Use hashtags. Like, do you have a special hashtag for your own keepsake business? If so, encourage your customers and followers to participate and add that hashtag to their content. That's a great way to have them, your customers, engaged in what you're doing, and then follow them back. And if you have a business page and a personal page, maybe you don't want customers on the personal page, but your business can follow your customer back and ask your customer to follow your business back. So, give and take kind of thing there. Who can you collaborate with? What customer can kind of get the word out about your business? If you think about celebrities, right? Is there a celebrity that you would really, really like to connect with your keepsake business? If so, reach out. Again, that's where marketing and press releases and things come into play. But don't overlook your social media. If I've learned anything already in 2024, it's to tag your favorite celebrity in some of your posts. Now, I'm not saying spam them and tag them all the time. Definitely not anything like that. But if you have a product that you think would be great for that celebrity, tag them and make it meaningful. Follow them, kind of get a taste for what it is that they like or don't like. Basically connect, right? And be social media. Make sure that you know that your social media keepsake posts are reaching the right customer base. You don't want to just have your arrows all over the place. Then you're not going to see traction. And, I've had students where they felt like they've done all they can do when it comes to marketing and connecting. And once I looked at their business plan and kind of got an idea of what their main goal was and looked over some of the forms, and I gave you all these forms in the academy. So all paying students get the forms I'm referring to during these lunch and learns. We look through that together, and maybe I can help pinpoint maybe some areas that can be fixed or edited, so to speak, to kind of help you get through whatever hump that you have. Again, I mainly just speak to creatives in the keepsake business industry. I've helped published authors and things like that for over 15 years when I was an online business manager slash virtual assistant. And so I bring all of that knowledge and all those skills to the Keepsake Business Academy. So that way, I know what forms to hand out and what content to give you so you can move forward in your business. And you might be a student who decides this is just going to be a hobby, and if that's you, that's okay too. But if you really want a business out of the skills and talent that you have, definitely get on the free newsletter at stephaniegrams.com. Consider joining the Keepsake Business Academy. But as always, follow along on the Lunch and Learns, because each Lunch and Learn is geared to be less than 10 minutes, close to 10 minutes, but less than 10 minutes. So it's a really quick tip to help you move forward in your business. All right, so is there anything else I can say about social media? And there's one last thing, and that is social is when you put out content, look for comments. Sometimes I don't get to see all the comments. My videos are shared by followers, so I don't always see the comments from a shared video. So I can't help that, right? But when I post this video, I know that I need to look on TikTok and I need to look on YouTube to see if there's a comment underneath this video, so I can at least have a conversation and be social with the person that's hopefully not spamming me about whatever we were just talking about in that video. So remember, when it comes to social media, you want to engage. You want to like a customer's post. You maybe want to say something, nice to them about being a great customer, or thank you so much for your follow. If I can ever be of service to you and your friends and family, please consider taking a screenshot of my business page or whatever it is you're showing them, and save it for future reference. I'm here to help you with your keepsakes if you need anything created. So it's just as simple as that. So make sure that you remember the social part of social media. All right, guys, Stephanie Grams. Until next time. Bye.